We'll guide you through how to use template in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, make sure that VSDC video editor is already installed on your device before continuing with this tutorial. Double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface loads completely. After the application opens, select the Import Content option from the startup screen. Choose the videos you want to use for your editing project from your computer. Then click the Open button to import the selected videos into the workspace. Change the project title to How to Use Template in VSDC so the project is easier to identify later. Set the background color to black, for example, to make the preview clearer. Then click the Finish button once everything is ready to continue. Next, go to the top menu and click View to access additional editing options. Find the Templates option, then click it to open the available options. Select View or Hide Window to display the Templates window. The Templates panel will appear on the left side of the editor window automatically. From there, you can access video effects, audio effects, and other available template categories easily. For this example, open the Transition category to access the available transition templates for your current video editing project. Double-click the first video on the timeline to open its editing workspace. Select Move from Center first, then drag and drop it to the end of the first video because it will be used as the transition effect. Return to Scene 0, then double-click the second video on the timeline. Drag and drop Move from Center last, to the beginning of the second video, so both clips connect smoothly. Return to Scene 0, then move the timeline cursor to the beginning of the video. Then enlarge the preview window slightly for a clearer and better view. Play the video to confirm that the template has been applied successfully.